How to insert YouTube video in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint on your device. Then, open YouTube and go to the video you want to add. Scroll down and click on Share button. After you've clicked on Share button in here, simply click on Copy, which will copy the link. After you've copied the link, go to PowerPoint and then click on Insert at the top. Here, click on Video at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Online Videos, which is the third option in here. Now, simply paste in the link you copied earlier in here and press on Insert. After you've pressed on Insert, the video will be inserted. You can resize the video if you want, and if you click on it, it will play. This is how to insert YouTube video in PowerPoint. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.